Headphones in bulk 25-pack, factory wholesale class set of 25-pack low-cost stereo headphones, each kid's headphones individually packaged and sealed. Portable headphones with high-quality sound. Bulk earphone stereo sound offers full audio clear for excellent sound quality. Class set headphones for students listening and testing. Kids headphones COMPARTIBILITY FIT. Length 4 feet or 1.2 meter, gold-plated 3.5 mm aux jack compatible with most smartphones and other devices, perfer for iPhones, iPads, Macbook, Chromebook, laptop, PC, Android tablet. It's the best choice for class set of headphones for teens. Comfortable and durable. Use more comfortable and soft leatherette ear cushions are comfortable to wear for extended use and can be wiped down between uses for easy cleaning. Headphones bracket can be adjusted to shrink by 3 cm and is made of carbon fiber plastic, which is light, elastic and not easy to break and suitable for repeated use by children. Headset bulk service 1 year hassle-free limited after service and quick response customer service. If you have any questions when using, feel free to contact us via Amazon email or through the contact information on the instructions. Top reviews from the United States. I purchased this for my classroom and my students have used them daily with no problems. Work well with Chromebooks in high school science class.